we've made lots of changes to our template already. As you can see, we added a logo, a header image, then we have our section for our text, a button, and now the title of the next section that we're working on. So in our example, we had a title on here and here. So we need to add those today. So what we'll do is we'll grab the box text and drag it over, and make sure that you're dragging it into the left column. All right, so the left is there, and we have the opening of the box text information. So here is where you just highlight everything and type the title that you need, and it's going to be For Rent. All right, now if you look at the font, it's pretty small. For a title, it needs to be bigger. So in the box text, I noticed that we have to do the font specifically on this one. So we're going to increase it ourselves. We're going to roll over the size, and we'll pick 24 for that one. Okay, now we need to remove this black border or background. So go ahead and just click remove on the container style. Now that we remove the container style color, the font is hard to see. No worries, we'll go ahead and we'll change that now. And so let's go ahead and let's do the blue background. All right, there's my royal blue that I'm wanting. And I'm going to show you a quick trick here. Let's look at the settings. There's one column. That's all we need is one column. The content was for rent, and that's taken care of. So go ahead and save that box. Now, we're going to need another one on this side. So what you're going to do is copy that. So go ahead and duplicate the box. And now we can take the box over to the right side, or the right container. And we're going to change the wording on this one. And we're going to put sale. If I spell it right. Goodness. For sale. And we don't need to do anything because we've already copied it, so it has the same size font, same everything. Okay, so that part is done. Now we need to add an image. So let's go here on the left side and we'll add an image. And I've already uploaded an image, so I'll go ahead and click that in there. Now the size of this one was or is 269 by 179. So around the 250, 260 range is fine. So I'll go ahead and insert that. And we have our image in there. And I'll need to add one on this side. So go ahead and save. And on your right column, now I'm using just the same image just for time's sake, but you'll have different images that you will upload. You always have to make sure that they're the same size, because if not, one will be longer, one of your boxes will be longer. So you always want to have the same size image. If you need to edit it first and do it in Photoshop, make the size to whatever that you used on the first one. So this one was 269, so my second image needs to be the same size, 269 by 179. I hope that makes sense. Now, the next part is the image information down at the bottom. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'll change this out, and I'm just going to copy and paste because I have my information already built into my template. Copy and paste that in there as well. And we're going to change the background. The background of this one is not going to be that 4040. So I'm going to change it to be white. So let's go ahead and remove that. And I'll do this on the other one as well. I will remove that 4040. Now remember, the font now is a different color. So we'll change that right here. With size, it has 14, and the color needs to be changed, and we'll do this one right here, real easy, 222. So go ahead and save that. And we'll do the same color here. I just picked the color that's already there. Now, one other thing was our little link that goes to the information that we're going to view for the house. So once you have your button name or link name, go ahead and highlight that, add your link, type in your address. I'm just going to put in a little hashtag there for now to hold my spot, but you can see that it says view now and it's hyperlinked. Okay, same thing over here. I go to the end of the sentence, hit return twice, and type my link that I want to put, highlight it, hit the little chain over here to add your web address, insert, and there we have our two links. Now, a trick that you can do from this point, so you don't have to do the same work again, is duplicate it. Duplicate this one as well. All right, so now I have my 4 sets of images. Hit save.